everyone and welcome to a new video on my channel. In this video I'm gonna share with you what's currently on sale at Chanel, and I'm also gonna show you what I picked up from the Chanel sale. So if you're interested, keep watching. But before I show you what's currently on sale, I quickly do want to say, in case this is your first time watching a video on my channel, my name is Marie and I do upload at least one new video every single week. I do unboxings, I do reviews, I do comparison videos, I take you around shopping with me. So if you are into luxury too, it honestly would mean the world to me if you would subscribe to my channel. You just have to hit the red button down below and also click the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay guys, so now let's get into the video. Normally I would take you shopping with me and show you around the boutique, but we are currently on lockdown until the 7th of February and some say it's even gonna be extended. So as of right now I'm sadly not able to take you shopping with me, but my sales assistant did message me a few pictures of what's on sale. So I'm gonna include the pictures for you so you can see everything that she sent me, and I'm gonna take my phone so I can go through with you. So the first picture she sent me are these beautiful CC logo earrings, and I definitely think that these are amazing. I love the look of them. I think they look so classy and I definitely think that these will go really fast. As you can see, they are 40% off, and by the way, everything that I'm gonna show you is 40% off. So these retail for 570 euro and they are down to 342 euro. So definitely a really amazing deal for these classy CC earrings. I did not get them, however. I'm not the biggest fan of Chanel custom jewelry, to be honest. I do have a few pairs of earrings, but I don't tend to wear them that often just because I personally prefer real gold and silver jewelry. So I did not get any of these earrings that I'm gonna show you, but I'm still gonna show you everything that she sent me. So these actually were my favorites out of all the earrings she sent me. She also sent me these CC star earrings with the drop. I really like the look of them compared to the other ones that I'm gonna show you, but again, not the biggest fan of custom jewelry. So she also sent me these. I like the CC on them, but I'm not the biggest fan of all the other details like the bird. I think there's too much going on this earring. She also sent me these, as well as these button earrings. The button earrings I quite liked, even though I don't think that they are worth it. At 40% off, it's definitely a great deal, and these are quite classy, but you can't really even see that it is a CC in the crystals without knowing. So I don't know, but they were quite nice and classy compared to others. She also sent me these with the black pearls, and I do have to say, out of all the drop earrings, these were my favorites. But also I'm not the biggest fan of big earrings, so these weren't really for me. She also sent me these, which I'm honestly not the biggest fan of. And she also sent me a few brooches. Here you can see this one's 490 and it's reduced 40% off. I personally don't like the look of it at all, I have to admit. She also sent me this brooch, which again I'm not the biggest fan of. And also she sent me this one, and as you guys saw prior, they do have the matching earrings. And I definitely think that if you're able to shop the Chanel sale somehow, and if you get either the brooch or the earrings, you definitely should get both. I think it's such a lovely set to have both. I did really think about getting the brooch because I actually don't have a Chanel brooch, but I honestly was not the biggest fan of the colors. I don't really like the green with like the pink. I don't really think it's for me, but I do think it's quite a classy item to get in the Chanel sale at 40% off. It's definitely a great deal. And she also sent me these two scarves. These were the only scarves that they had left in the sale, and I have to say I'm not a fan of these at all. The colors are awful. I don't like them at all. I also asked her about the shoes because I personally was really interested in the shoes, and she did send me a picture of all the shoes, and she just told me I should message her which ones I like look-wise, and she will see if they have my size. So I quickly will go through with you through the shoes that they have available. And again, every single shoe was 40% off. So here you can see, let's start with the sandals, and on the top shelf you can see the CC sandals. I really like them. I'm gonna try to zoom in for you so you can see them a bit better. I liked them a lot, but I'm not the biggest fan of slippers. Then you can also see the sandals, and they did have white, black, burgundy and red sandals. And I definitely was interested in the sandals, so I sent her like a picture with the sandals. And also from the bottom shelf you can see on the left they have again some black slippers, and I actually liked the look of them, but again, slippers aren't really for me. I also sent her the sandals with the big CC logo on the bottom, but they did not have my size, sadly. I also quite liked the ones next to them, but they didn't have my size either. Other than that, I didn't really like any of these. She also sent me this picture with a lot of sneakers, and as you can see they have quite a few pairs available, but I honestly am not the biggest fan of any of these, so I didn't send her any of these back. And also here you can see the boots, so they did have a lot of boots as well. I quite like the boot that's on the bottom, which kind of looks like an Ugg boot but just prettier, but I honestly couldn't justify purchasing a boot in light grey for winter, so I didn't even send her the picture. But out of all the boots, these definitely are my favorites. And last but not least, the last pictures she sent me are these. So here you can see they had a ton of shoes included in the sales, and a lot of classy ones as well. So you can really see on the top shelf there are so many classy heels included in the sale, and I did send her a picture of one of these, and I actually bought them, so you will see them in a few minutes. On the bottom you can also see they had a ton of ankle boots in the sale, and I did like a few of them. I liked the black one with the CC logo, so I did send it to her. And I also liked the dark grey one at the right side, but the grey one wasn't available in my size. The black one was available in my size, and I actually have another picture from the side, so here you can see it from the side as well. And honestly, from the side I didn't really like it all that much because I'm not the biggest fan of the heel look wise. I was able to try it on though, so I'm gonna tell you how I was able to try these on as well. So my SA messaged me that if I am able to come by the boutique, she could let me in and I could quickly try on the shoes in which I'm interested in, even though the boutique is currently closed down, which was super nice, and I was really happy that she offered me that. I only live around 10 to 15 minutes by foot from the Chanel boutique, so I went there today, and I'm super happy that I can say that I picked up 2 pairs of shoes in the Chanel sale. I quickly want to show you though. It was so weird being in the boutique. I couldn't really enter the boutique. I was just by the entrance and I didn't have a seat or anything to even try the shoes on, so they are super strict. And also guys, look, I did make a picture because honestly it was just so sad. The entire boutique was empty. Can you see? Every single display was empty. It's like so sad, but I get why they do it. But I do have to say that I'm super grateful to her that I was able to try the shoes on and pick them up myself. She would have been able to send them to me as well, but since I live so close to the boutique, it honestly would have been such a waste. And also because I really needed to try these on to figure out which size I need. I just was so happy that I was able to go to the boutique and try these on. And I think I've hold you on long enough now. Let's open which ones I got. I did pick up 2 pairs, as I said, and they are in this Chanel bag. And guys, I don't know if I've mentioned, but I hate the new Chanel bags. They are so much cheaper, and I find it so sad that they have much cheaper packaging than prior. You can also see I do have like the Christmas ribbon, which I honestly don't like. It's full of glitter, so I'm gonna remove it carefully so that I'm not full of glitter. So let me put it here, and here's the black paper, and here's the receipt. I'm just gonna put these out quickly, because that way it will be easier for me. And I'm also gonna put the bag in the bag. So here you can see I did pick up 2 Chanel shoes. Let me see which ones are we gonna open first. Let's open these first. So here you can see again the Chanel Christmas packaging, which is full of glitter. I hate it. So here. So here is the box. A little care kit. The dust bags. And I picked up this really beautiful classic pair of pumps, and I really have to say I love these so much. Let me pull them out. I'm gonna put the box aside. So here you can see these really pretty classic pumps. Aren't these gorgeous? I really like the look of these so much. As you can see, I did pick them up in size 37 and they fit perfectly. I love the little chain detailing here in this silver color. It's so stunning. It will look so nice with my black classic flat because that one has silver hardware as well. I can't wait to wear them together. I also love this little CC logo on each side. I think these are just so stunning. I'm so happy with these. These will even be really great for work as well, so I couldn't be happier with this purchase. And as I said, these were 40% off, and let me tell you the price. So these normally retail for €730 and I got them at 438, so I saved €292. So that's definitely an amazing deal for such classy pair of Chanel shoes. I'm really happy that I was able to get these. I love them so much. Now on to the next pair. So here you can see again the Christmas packaging. Oh my god, I literally have glitter all over the box and all over my hands. Honestly, normally they're Christmas camellias are so beautiful, but this glitter really isn't the best choice in my opinion. But nevertheless, here you can see the Chanel box. Again, the little care kit as well as 2 dust bags. You always get 2, so you have a dust bag for each shoe. And here are my beautiful Chanel sandals. And oh my god guys, I love these so much. Let me put the box here. So I managed to pick up these gorgeous cream colored CC sandals, and aren't these so pretty? I really like them so much. Here you can see again, these are size 37. I did try these on in size 36.5 as well, but size 37 ended up being the better size for me. And I honestly am so happy that I was able to get these. I love the CC on here. It is actually made out of metal and looks so gorgeous. I also love the chain detailing. I love that these are in the light gold color because I do prefer the light gold, and I actually think that these will go so nicely with my cocoa handle in the summer, so I just had to get these. Also, like, look at the little CC droplet. I think it is so gorgeous. I really like the look of these so much. Also on the bottom you can see better, they have the CC as well, and this one even has the price on it. So this one was 770 euro, which honestly is quite crazy that the sandals are more expensive than the flats, but I love them so much. So these now retailed for 462 euros, and I saved 308 euros. So definitely an amazing deal as well, and I think these are just super classy. I know that I will be able to wear them for a really long time because they are so classy. So I really love them so much. Let me just quickly grab my cocoa handle because I do want to see how these look together. Look guys, isn't this such a great combo? I love it so much. It honestly looks even better together than I thought it would. So honestly, I'm so happy that I was able to purchase these as well. Alright everyone, that is gonna be it for this Chanel sale haul as well as this unboxing. I really hope that you enjoyed seeing what's currently on sale here in Vienna, as well as what I purchased from the Chanel sale. I honestly couldn't be happier with both of these beauties. I love them so much, and I love how classy both of these are. So I can't wait for warmer temperatures. I want to wear them right now, but it's super cold. It's even snowing today, so I definitely won't be able to wear them. But I'm super happy that I purchased these, and I would love for you to comment down below which ones do you prefer. Do you prefer the sandals or the flats? I'm super curious. Other than that guys, I really again hope that you enjoyed this video. If you like Chanel as well, and if you want more Chanel content, give this video a thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. I hope to see you soon in another video. Bye guys!